Hey, my lovely slicers. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge is all about the beat, the bop, and the meow geikel rhythm. It's Save One Song, Gabby's Dollhouse edition with 30 songs awaiting you to pick. It's gonna be fast, fun, and full of feels. So steady your seat and ready those ears, cause we're joining in. First up, pinching in and kaleidoscope. Which melody wins your heart here? Don't forget to comment on all your answers and show your vibe below. All right, Rhythm Warriors' next duel begins. Sweet Cream versus Let's Go for a Ride. Save your one. Which beat here should stay? Hey Gabby or Dollhouse World? Can you choose one?
We gotta get you a new dress.
Gabby's World, Gabby's Dollhouse World.
Ugh, I couldn't choose one from the other. Can you guess this Gabby cat's name right here? Who could this be? Precisely, that's DJ Catnip. DJ Catnip's dropping another beat, The Music in You versus I Love a Rainbow.
Making the rope up makes them all jump and dance. With the music in you, you can.
When we're together, yeah, we know we make it a brighter day.
If you choose The Music in You, hit the like button, and if it's I Love a Rainbow, smash that subscribe button. This one is quite groovy. Can you pick between Marty Party and Dance Like a Gabby Cat?
Get up, people, and shake the room. You swing that part.
Bump, twist and jump, you're fantastic, live it up.
Can you help me guess the word from those scrambled letters? It's the word meowgical. You truly are meowgical. Another jam is up. Would you save Sprinkle Party instead of Roll With It?
Every day is a sprinkle. And make it our own. We can do anything now.
Another tough call. Which are you saving this time? The Power of Yet or Jingle Meow?
Cause the garden magic comes so naturally. Oh, meow, 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 meow. Christmas time's the best.
Would you rather like the video to grant a wish from Gabby or comment on your birthday below, and we will shout out to y'all with a mystery gift. Let's keep the rhythm going. Spa Science versus a Gabby Cat holiday.
Spa Science, get a reaction.
You be you up against Halloween, holla holla.
You be you.
We love it. With the Gabby cats, you can't go wrong.
These songs both slap. Am I right? Back on the music track. Whoopsies and let's take a holiday. One stay, one wave goodbye.
Whoopsies, I made a mistake and it's okay.
It's okay. I'm sure it's chilly somewhere, but here it really is quite.
Which is which? You decide. Okay, Slicers, 2 teams here, but you must delete one. Which would you choose here?
With the Gabby cats, you can't go wrong. Halloween, oh, meow, 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 meow. Christmas time's the best. Every day is a sprinkle party.
Making the rope up makes them all jump and dance. With the music and you can light up a room.
The left side or the right side should go, can you tell me? Pick one to save with Grow Your Mind and the Burp Song.
You could find that something that was always in you. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce.
This round's pure rhythm with trying new things is Pawsome and Spice of Life. Save your beat.
Bear with me fantastically. That's how Fluffy does.
Look like each other. Still we care.
Memory test time. Remember the position of all characters first. Now, tell me where Mercat is. Bullseye, you found it. Another one beats up, and this time it's silly bad guys versus living in the meow.
All those silly bad guys. Check out these wacky moves. Chilling on a beach, sipping on a smoothie. When I'm with you, it's all too.
Would you choose Crafty-rific over Just Breathe?
Let's make, create, and decorate a crafty-rific day.
Yes, it's better when you just breathe.
Spot the 3 differences within these 2 images. Incredible! You found them all! Save one between Snacky in My Packy and A Friend Like You.
Kinda snacky, I can give you some. It's my favorite thing.
Keep on going, 'cause it's enough. Always knowing that a friend.
Can you find the odd sunny cat emoji out of here? There's the right one. Good job. Heavy drop incoming. Which are you staying in sync with? Garden Magic or You Can't Spell Meow Without Me?
The feeling inside when I give it a go, so beautiful.
Meow. Go ahead and sing it. Meow.
Happy birthday, Cat Rat versus Better Together. Which are y'all saving?
Happy birthday, dear Cat Rat. We're making sure that your day.
Whenever we're together, everything.
Which fairy cat will stay in your garden? Lulu or Kitty Fairy? Woohoo! You totally rocked this Gabby's Dollhouse quiz. Your picks were perfect. Thanks for playing with us on Quiz Slice. If you had fun, smash like and hit subscribe. We've got more Meow Geikel games every week. Until next time, Slicer, Quiz Slice out.